Hi guys, this is the video for the replacement of the bulbs for a Seat Leon 2018 that started manufacturing about 2013. So this is the halogen lights. In the front you've got H7 dipped beam, main beam, also the PY21W for the indicators. So just go ahead and open the metal claps on the headlamp from when you open the bonnet, and you've got access to the bulbs. You've got H7 which you just pull out, and the PY21W that you twist left and pull out. With the bulb you just press it down, twist it left and pull it out, and swap the bulb like that. With the bulbs H7s you can see that you need a bit more space in the back, so it's not always possible, so just please check that before, because in this car the dipped beam is unfortunately too long, our LED, so it won't work. This is the indicators on the left, our LED ones, very bright, very nice, modern, instant on and off, no errors, no problems, simple swap and transform your car basically to this very nice LED look. As with the dipped beam, like I said, there is a cover there, so you can't push them all the way, but I installed the main beam here, which you can see the huge difference between them in terms of brightness, in terms of color, but you need to be careful with the space in the back. In the rear you just open the carpet and then unscrew the plastic lug, and the other part of the lamp also is in the boot section. You just open the boot and you've got the flap there. You've got the rear reversing bulbs on the right side, and the side lights in there, and also the reversing is P21W. Have all the links in the description, and also the W5W for the side lights. As you can see, the other part of the lamp is in the body, outside part of the body. You just take the lamp out, pull out this tray, this panel with the bulbs. You've got PY21W for indicators, and also P21W for the side lights and the brake lights. So as you can see here, the indicators and the reverse on the right side are LED, which are much brighter, much nicer, modern look, and no errors whatsoever on the dashboard, in the computer, canvas system, all okay. So we'll give you the best links we have in the description. As you can see inside, they're blinking normal, no fast blinking, so it means it's error free and ready to go. Just swap them, very easy, and you can use them. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more, and we'll be with you shortly with more videos. Thanks.